Let's see what the hell's in here. Oh god. Oh, should have expected that. Alright, let's go. Come on, bitch. Okay, okay. Look at that damage. Oh my goodness. Alright, it can't parry for some reason. Do that. Oh, do not turn me to fucking stone. Come on. You're done, bitch. Almost over. Last words? I guess not.
I discovered a hatchery in the stone hollows. It's safe now.
Tough, tough.
Good thing you found it. That many more full-grown gorgons would have been a menace. Sounds like they put up a fight.
Ooh, I finally got the last one. Let's fucking go.
Sorry I missed that.
Yes.